Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify savings account APY with Bankrate, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify the savings account APY with Bankrate, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.bankrate.com and press enter. Once the Bankrate homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type savings account APY into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of results related to savings accounts and their APY rates. Select the link that best fits your needs, typically titled Best Savings Accounts. On the next page, you will find a comparison of Look for the APY listed next to each account option. To find more detailed information, click on the name of a specific bank or account. This will take you to a page with comprehensive details about that account, including its features and terms. Make note of the APY along with any applicable fees or requirements. If you want to verify the information, visit the bank's official website. Find the savings account section and cross-check the APY listed on Bankrate. This ensures you have the most accurate and up-to-date information. Once verified, you can make a more informed decision about your savings options. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to customer service for clarification. After gathering all necessary details, you're ready to choose the best savings account for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.